The purpose of allowing meditations is so that you could learn to act by not acting, which means effortless action. That way, you can get to a relaxed, neutral state in which your flow of thoughts slows down, lowering the activity of your brain and allowing you to receive more energy from the source. This energy controls and synchronizes trillions of cells in our bodies and all the processes in nature and in the universe. Therefore, it can also balance everything in your life, your health, relationships, abundance, and everything else. The only thing you must do is to stop preventing it by your own mind, because our mind is often deformed to think in self-destructive programs taken from others who also turn away from this source energy. Here, our ego plays a big role, and the more we think that we understand something, the more we limit ourselves by our own beliefs, and so we ourselves resist positive change. Since this energy is very intelligent and fully respects our freedom and decisions, it will not affect our life without our permission. So if we want it to help us with everything, we have to allow it by being willing to get rid of everything that limits us. That can be various beliefs, illnesses, bad habits, hatred, envy, unforgiveness, suppressed emotions, and so on. You don't even have to be aware of many of these limitations. That's why all you have to do is to ask this energy to redeem you of everything what's limiting to you. And be willing to put your mind aside and not think about how it will happen and whether it is or isn't possible. By doing this, you'll allow more energy to flow to you and gradually heal your body, mind, and spirit. You'll feel its presence as various electrical impulses, goosebumps, heat or cold, or other sensations in your nervous system. In case of illnesses, you may also experience an increase in pain. Just relax and trust this process, that this energy and your body know what they are doing. "15 minutes a day of such relaxation and allowing is enough for you to start noticing positive changes in your life after a few days. But it's ideal to repeat it in the morning after waking up and in the evening before going to bed. It's like physical exercise. If you don't exercise regularly, you'll probably not see any changes. But with daily practice, you'll gradually unlearn to think as you are used to and start to think more with your heart, because you'll become more sensitive and aware of how powerful the thoughts are in changing the way you feel. So you'll pay more attention to feelings than to thoughts, and you'll gradually begin to realize that everything in your life, including the behavior of others towards you, is just a response to your beliefs. And beliefs are the result of long repetition of the same thoughts and feelings. Here, click on the meditation.